Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamim bil hayr. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum. This is the D3 updated 7th edition, and today we will do exercise 11B from question number 18 to 21. Let's start, student. Now, students, question number 18. Construct a trapezium WXYZ such that WX 556 millimeter and XY 112 millimeter and this angle 80 and this angle 70. Measure and write down the WY and XZ. First, we have to these lengths are given to us in millimeter. We have to convert into centimeters, and WX 56 millimeter, when it converted into centimeters, became 5.6 centimeter. XY 112 millimeter, when it converted into centimeter, in centimeter we have to divide it by 10. It's become 11.2 centimeter. First, we have to draw the angle at point X and Y. So we draw the first line Y and XY. The xy is equal to 11.2 centimeter. First we draw the line of 11.2 centimeter. This is 11.2 centimeter, and this line is x, y, 11.2 centimeter. Draw the angle of 70 at point y. Using protractor, I am making an angle of 70 at point y, and at point x mark the angle of 80. This is the angle of 70 and this is the angle of 80. Now the x and z is given to us. Yes, students, w and x is given to us 5.6. Now we open the compass 5.6. Now, students, this is a compass. We have to open it 5.6, and it bisects the line, giving that line a name XA, and it bisects it at point W, and this line is equal to 5.6 centimeter. And you know that this shape is a trapezium, and the two lines of the trapeziums are parallel to each other, so that we have to draw the parallel line at that point. And it cuts at angle the line YB at point Z. And this is the trapezium. This is the shape of the trapezium. Now we have to measure the line WY this line, and X this line. First draw the line, then we have to measure it. This line. And this line. Now we have to measure it. The WY is equal to 11.6. WY is equal to 11.6. Now we measure XW. And this is equal to 10.7. XC is equal to 10.7 centimeter. And now, students, this question is solved. Now we have to write the point of construction of it's very simple to write. What you have to done, you have to write in your own words. Now students, the point number 1, using ruler. Draw the line xy, and xy 11.2 centimeter. Using protractor, mark the angle at point x such that MW xy is equal to 80 degree. Using protractor, mark the angle at point y such that measure XYZ is 70 degree. Open the compass, 5.6 centimeter, and take the X as center and draw an arc which cuts the line XE at point W. Draw the line. Point number 5, draw the line WC parallel to line WX, which cuts the line YB at point Z. And now WXYZ is the required trapezium. Now students, these are the steps of constructions which I have done in this question. I write simply in my own words. There is no need to learn these points. You have to only understand these questions, then you have to write it in your own words. And now students, the question number 18 is solved. Now students, question number 90, construct a parallelogram ABCD such that AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, measure ABC is 115 degree. Measure and write down the length of the diagonal BD. First we have to draw the parallelogram, and there is a two lengths are given to us. AB is 9 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter. I am drawing the line 9 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter and this line is AB 9 centimeter. Now at point B, I am drawing the angle of 115. Using protractor, mark the angle 115. This is 100, 110 and 115. This is the angle of 115. Now students, open the compass 6 centimeter. Now students, I'm open the compass 6 centimeter. You can see there, this is 6 centimeter. Taking B as center and mark that point. and this point is C. This is the B X line, and this point is C. This point is C, and you know that this is a parallelogram. We also draw the mark the arc at that point. At point B, it cuts that line, and this point is C, and at that point I also mark that point. And because these lines and two lines are equal in parallelogram. Now we open the compass 9 centimeter. Now since this is a 9 centimeter, put at that point C and mark at that point. And it cut at point, the point D is that where the two arcs cut at each other. This is the point D. Now join that point with A and C. This is our required parallelogram. Now students, this is our required parallelogram, and we have to measure the length of the part number 1, the diagonal BD. We have to measure that length. First we have to draw the line, then we have to measure it. This length is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Now students, the part number 1. The length of diagonal BD is equal to 9 centimeter. Sorry, 8.4. We measure 8.4 centimeter. 0.4 centimeter. Now students, part number 2. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts CD. Measure and write down AT such that T is a point where the perpendicular bisect AB cuts CD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. And for drawing the perpendicular bisector, open the compass more than half and then mark at above and below. Then place it at point A, then mark up and below the arc. Where it's cut, this is a perpendicular bisector, and of AB. Now join this point. And at which point it cut this AB? This is the point T. It is given in to us in part number 2. And now we have to measure the AT. We have to measure that length from A to T. And first we draw the line AT, then we measure it, and this length is equal to, and this length is equal to 7.1. Yes, this is equal to 80 is equal to 7.1. Part number 2, measure A2 is equal to 7.1 centimeter. And now students, the question number 19 is solved. Now students, question number 20, construct a quadrilateral PQRS such that PQ is 4 centimeter and QR and RS is 4.8 centimeter and PS is 3.6 centimeter and angle P is 90 degree. Measure and write down the QS. First we have to draw the quadrilateral, and I am drawing the line first, 9.4 centimeter and PQ is 4 centimeter. Now students, draw the line PQ 4 centimeter, and at point P mark the angle of 90 and this line is PA. PA. Now PQ and S is there and it is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Compass 3.6 centimeter, taking the PS center and mark it. This is the point S, and now the two lines are PQ and QR and RS is equal to 4.8 centimeter. It means R is a point which is located there. Now I am open the compass 4.8 centimeter. Now students, you can see this is the 4.8 centimeter. I place it at point S and draw an arc. Now I place it at point Q and draw an arc. Where it's cut, this is the point R. Now join R with Q and R with S, and this is 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter, and these lines are equal. And this is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now students, we have to measure the length QS. And this is the line QS. First we have to draw the line and then measure that line. Now students, I am measuring the line QS and this is equal to 5.4 centimeter. And QS is equal to, now students, QS is equal to 5.4 centimeter, and now we have to measure the length of SU. Now students, point number 2. Now students, point number 2, construct the perpendicular from S to QR, measure and write down the SU such that use a point where the perpendicular from S cut QR. Now we have to draw the perpendicular, and this is the perpendicular on point S and it cuts at U. And it cuts at point U, and we also have to measure it, and this is equal to SU is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Yes students, SU is equal to, this is the part number 1. In part number 2 we have to measure the SU, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And now students, the question number 20 is solved. Now students, question number 21. A scale PQRS is such that the diagonal is PR. And first we have to draw the PR. Diagonal is given to us and we are drawing the line PR. Draw PR and we are drawing the line PR, which is 10 centimeter. PR 10 centimeter. By constructing the perpendicular bisector of PR, locate the point Q and S, join the points to form the square PQRS. Measure and write down the measure PQ. Now I am drawing the perpendicular bisector of PR. And you know that for drawing the perpendicular bisector, open the compass more than half and then I mark the line above and below the line, and where it's cut, match that points, and these are the, this is the perpendicular bisector. Name of this line is A and B, and we have to locate the point Q and R's on this perpendicular bisector AB. and mark at that point, and where it's cut, this is the point Q. One point is Q, another point is S. Now join these points. We join the Q with P, P with S, S with R, and S with Q. And now students, this is our square. And in part number 3, measure and write down the PQ. We have to measure that line. And this is PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. And now students, part number 3, PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. And now students, the question number 21 is solved. I hope you understand these questions very well. Again, I am saying that the point of constructions are very easy to write, which you have to write in your own words simply. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.